Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. I'm trying to wrap up the 100 envelope savings challenge for the quarter, and I know I'm too late, but next quarter we're gonna do very well. Look at this, we are almost done. I have like 6 of them. Today I'm gonna do 4, then I'll do 2. I want to post it before the month ends, so I do have like a few days to wrap it up. Yeah, so today, look at this, so excited. I really have to be on top of the game because I know a lot of you are watching and you are doing it alongside with me. So let's go ahead and kickstart today and see how far we can go. I think I have money enough to do 4 of these. Then I have 2, which I'm going to post the video back and forth because I want to wrap it up. Okay, so let's do 7 is 7, so 7 plus 7 is 14. Let me see, I have 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I'll add 5 to make it 14. I hope everybody is doing very well. I am super excited that I'm finishing this, and this challenge is going to go to do an investment, which I'm going to journey the investment with you guys as well. This is to, I know I have a lot of ones, so we will make it work. Then we have 7 plus 8, which is 15. So I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me see. I'll do 5, then I'll do 2 5s from here. Okay. Yeah, so I can't wait to show you guys what I'm going to invest in and how it's going. Super excited. Somebody was telling me that when I'm done, I should put some in high yield savings. I should invest some and see how they grow difference. Maybe I should divide it and see how it grows over time to tell people how high yield savings work and how investment work. 7 plus 9 is 16. So I'll do 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll do 2 of the 10s. Okay, so that's 16. Okay. Then when I get to 80, you guys know that my multiples of 10, I do the same thing. So I'm going to do 80. So let's see, I have 40. I'll leave the 20s. Then I'll do the 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Then I'll leave one of the 10s. Okay, so we do multiples of 10. We do it the same way. And I hope you guys are getting ready to start again. I am going to start again because I have an agenda with this money. Okay, then 81 is 9. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So I'll do 9. Then I have 8 plus 2 is 10. Yeah, that's right. Then I have 8 plus 3, 11. 6, then 5. Then I have 8 plus 4 is 12. So we will do I think I have a lot of 5, so I will switch them around. So I have 12. I think I used the ones too much. So let me see. Let me go here and take some of the ones out and replace them by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'll do 5. Supposed to be 14. These are the ones I put the ones a lot. So let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll do a 5. So that I'll get the ones for the next one. So we have 15. Okay. So that sounds good. So let's go ahead and I changed some of the ones. So let's go ahead and continue. 8 plus 5 is 13. That's why I needed the ones. Then 8 plus 6 is 14. Eight plus 7 is 15. Eight plus 8 is 16. And when I come here, 8 plus 9 is 17. So let's see. Then 90 for my multiples of 10, I do 90. So that's 70. So that will be 60, 70, 80, 90. Then 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do today. Then I'll wrap up with the rest probably on Monday. So this is how far we are. We are almost done for the quarter. So thank you so much for watching me today. I really appreciate everybody for joining. If you haven't joined yet, get your book ready. You can also buy this in my Etsy shop. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye.